am doing, I don't know what number it is, but I'm doing a complete list of 100 things to do. And we are at Caesars Creek Park in Ohio.
Squires.
Squires Trail.
There is no split. I like to be in it.
Hey, it's Katie.
Is this Mill Road? Hey.
I can't, no, you want to go onto this though. Maybe? Hey, are you excited for Caesars Creek?
Totally.
Pumped. If we can ever get there. If they actually, like...
Let's just turn around.
Well, it's a trail.
Well, this one looks more
It doesn't even have a name.
gravelly.
Well, that one looks not as old as that one, but that one's named Old Wood.
What they use that?
Thank you, useless piece of crap. You know what? Throw in the toilet.
I'm gonna take pictures. Look at store.
Wait to make the outdoors. Wait to go.
You're welcome. You're my boss.
All of it. Stop now. I do not want to be
It's so
part of the
pretty.
outdoor nerd.
Look at the purple. Look at the purple. So, Katie, you should tell everyone about your picture taking
I am taking pictures.
of
Documenting this experience.
everyone.
No, it seems kind of like a dead end.
Oh no, there's
No, it isn't. We can totally get down there.
Oh no, I think there's a tree in the way. Why don't you just like move out
Look at
from
that.
underneath
That's
that?
what I think of wildlife.
Oh wait, that's a cute frame. The branch.
There's
There is a trip line.
apparently there is a bridge between two water paths. So we have to know we crossed the bridge. Our own privacy. So beautiful. So small. We can
I don't understand that one either.
You go up and then you go down.
Or you could sit and be a jerk. Like me.
I will push you up.
I will fight you. Wildlife viewing area. Yo, start looking.
I only see are gravel. I don't see anything. Stop dropping my sunglasses. I don't want that rock. That's not my rock. I will know my boulder or rock when I find my boulder or rock.
I want that one. You want that thing in the water?
No. I'm not kidding. This is all you guys. Friendship rock means you guys would
Wait,
interference.
but we want boulders. That means you don't understand boulders compared to rock. Friendship boulders. We need some help.
Than one friend.
No, our friendship is just that big and massive.
Oh, it needs too many people to bear its weight. Got it.
Well, now it's going, so here's Katie. There's Kevin. We are globaling. See, there's the lanes. Yeah, it is. Okay. The score is he loses. Too bad I can't see anything of that. Go down this.
Oh my god.
It's a flashlight that looks the other way.
Yes.
How does it feel to win the first game?
Awesome, but not surprising. I think we all can break 100 this time for me.
I think so too. I'll try that.
All right.
Show me how it feels to be a first losing team.